Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Skin Masterclass. I'm Shirim, your personal skincare coach, helping you achieve your perfect skin through education and well-being. Today I'm going to be addressing one of the most asked questions, how to make your skin glow naturally, reducing acne mask, reducing dark spots, roughness, itchiness, rashes. I'm going to be sharing with you a DIY skincare routine to target all these skin needs. We are going to be making a scrub, a mask, and a toner. It's all 100% natural, and guess what? It's totally free, and you probably have all the ingredients in your kitchen cabinet already. And I have also a very, very special girl, my beautiful girl Hayat. She's going to be helping me in the kitchen prepare these recipes, and she is a joker. So anyway, let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel so we can always stay connected. Follow me on Instagram at Skin Masterclass for daily skincare education and more of me. So first thing we are going to be doing is a homemade scrub with oats.
Yeah. Yay! Ah. We're going to put it in the NutriBullet. You put it in. Yay!
First thing I'm doing is grounding 3 tablespoons of oats in my NutriBullet.
Ah. Oopsie! Oh my. Now we have plenty. Shall I show you the camera?
Of course, it's best to do more so you can keep it like an airtight container like I'm doing. So anytime your skin needs like a gentle scrub, you already have it prepared.
Are you tired already? Wake up! Wake.
So what I then do is I mix half a teaspoon of oats in 2 pumps of cream cleanser. This can be any cream cleanser or any balm cleanser, oil cleanser, gel cleanser, it doesn't matter. It depends on what you have readily available. But let's say that you don't have a cleanser at all. What you can be doing is mixing the oats with 1 tablespoon of honey, Manuka honey, if you have already available, that will be the best one because it's antibacterial. Wet your face and then you start massaging the paste in circular upwards motions.
There you go. Nice.
No, don't touch me.
Really try and work the scrub, especially on your dry, rough patches, your oily zone, any problematic area apart from active acne, of course. So be careful that you are not scrubbing an active cyst or an open wound. That's the most important thing to remember from this. Oatmeal contains saponin, which is a great cleanser for our skin. And also another great thing about oats, it contains vitamin B1, which is great to boost blood circulation and enhance the effect of skin whitening. It is full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. It is good for moisturizing dry skin. It provides a relief from itchiness like rashes. Any minor skin irritations you have is perfect. One tip is that if you have time, you can keep it as well as a mask, just about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you wash it off with cool water. This is a gentle exfoliator, so you can use it up to 2 times a week in the evenings. Now, time to do our mask, and I literally been obsessing about this, true story. This has been my go-to skincare product, so can you guess what it is? Milk. Yes, milk. Full fat milk. It's amazing for skincare. If there's one DIY recipe that I would recommend to everyone, that would be milk. I bought these compressed sheet masks, and I'm sure you can buy some off Amazon. I'll try and find it and link it below, because previously I used to use cotton wool with milk and then go over my face with it, but it really wasn't giving my skin a chance to really suck the benefits of the ingredients. So now what I do is I immerse the mask in cold milk, put it in the fridge for a couple of minutes until the mask is ready to open, and then I apply on my skin.
Now we're going to do.
That's scary.
Sorry. Oh, this is a milk mask, Hayat.
It's scary. Scary mask. Don't kiss me.
kiss you?
No, don't kiss me.
Mm.
Don't kiss me.
Do you want to do the same mask?
No.
No. This is for big girls.
Ideally, I should be lying down, but who has time to lie down with 2 kids under 3 years old? So I wait for it to dry on my skin for about, like, let's say 20 to 25 minutes. Then I remove the sheets and gently go over the skin and then wash it off again, ready for the toner.
I'm really, really excited to take it off.
Yeah, you're very clever to take it off. Thank you, Hayat.
You're welcome. Now I'll kiss you now.
Oh,
You say scary, but it's not scary.
I'm not scary anymore. Oh, oh.
So why milk? Well, milk is rich in B vitamins, alpha hydroxy acid, calcium and other potent antioxidants. If you've got like acne prone skin, it will gently exfoliate skin. For oily skin, you can use it to draw out like excess sebum from within the skin pores to really tighten your large pores. For dry skin, it will soften and remove like your flaky skin. Also milk, it has high lactic acid content. It has a natural great skin lightening property, and it will also help get rid of like dead skin cells like sitting on top of the skin surface. It's safe to say that it's good for all skin types really. If you are vegan, you can consider using almond milk, banana milk, walnut milk, any other plant-based milk. And although you might think that like non-ordinary alternatives could not contain lactic acid, well, the fermentation of the plant-based milk actually uses some like lactic acid bacteria in the process. So I guarantee you that it is a great substitute for normal milk as well. Because you're not like doing anything physical to the skin, the recipe is safe to use 3-4 times, but make sure you do it in the evenings. And the final step is rubbing ice on our face. Well, the best way to do this is by making ice cubes, and you can store them so it's always ready for use. It's also very easy to remember. You can use 1 ice cube in the morning and 1 ice cube in the evening. So that's 2 ice cubes a day. You can create ice cubes of anything you want, but the easiest one and the most effective one for me is green tea or like chamomile tea. So I don't have to go out of my way because I always have green tea and chamomile tea at home. I literally prepare it like tea. I put 2 tea bags in a mug and I pour like boiling hot water. I let that hot water sit like that for about, more I'll say, until it's cooled down really, so give or take an hour. So it becomes really, really concentrated. I pour that water in like ice cube containers and I put it in the freezer, and in around 2-3 hours time, the ice cubes are ready.
Ice cubes! These are green tea ice cubes, Hayat.
Now let's make tea.
And no, you don't make tea with this. This is a face toner. Say this is a face toner. Now we get 2.
It's like beds. Like beds.
Like a what?
Beds.
Bed! Yeah, it does look like a bed actually. Ah, plenty, plenty!
So what I'm now doing now with this little monster, I'm melting 1 ice cube on my face.
Oh,
I'll do it too.
oh, so nice. Oh yeah, you don't need it.
It's nice, Mummy.
You put it on the bed.
Nice.
There you go! And then we let it dry. I'm done now! Yay!
And I love doing this in the morning as a pick-me-up. It like really, really improves like blood circulation to your skin. It just makes your skin like look much more brighter, and it helps minimize oil production on your skin. And it works really well in curing like the bumps and swelliness caused by acne because it speeds up the healing process. So one other tip is that you can use it as a final step in the evening. So when you put your rich creams and your serums on, you can go over with an ice cube, and you might think, hang on a second, then am I not diluting like my cream? But no, because what ice cold does, it constricts like the capillaries on your face, and it creates like the pulling effect on your skin, which in turn will help like better absorption of the products. Final tip is that, let's say you don't have like any time in the morning to put makeup on, which is generally the case, isn't it? When we're like rushing to take the kids to school, or you're rushing to go to work and you just don't have time to do makeup. Then what you can do is you can get an ice cube and then quickly, as you're getting ready, and you can quickly melt that ice cube on your face, and what it will do, it will literally energize your skin. Don't forget to put your SPF after. I really hope you found this video useful. Please try them all and let me know what your thoughts was. On Instagram, you can tag me at Skin Masterclass. And also, if you have any skincare related questions or skin questions, please do comment below and I will try to make a video for you guys. And after all this, may I please ask if you could please subscribe to my channel so we can always stay connected and you can watch my new skincare videos I upload every week. Have a lovely day, everyone. Stay safe. Bye.